If you don't understand the if function in Excel yet, so you have to watch this video carefully and let me guide you how you can do that. Let's get into the PC. First, you have to create an Excel file. So for that, you can right click on this and this folder and go to new, and then you can click on Microsoft Excel worksheet. So I'm going to put the name here as if function. If function. Okay, good. Now just open it. Type something on cell A1 like this, name, and in B1 math, C1 physics, and here ICT. Okay, in the cell E3 you have to type pass or fail. Pass or fail. Okay, just think that we are going to check whether the student is pass or fail. Now I'm going to use some dummy names here. Amal, Kamal, and Amal. Okay, for math, 40, 60, 50, 80, 50, 40, and 60, 40, 50. That's all. Okay, just think that you need to get the pass or fail status of these totals. I just forgot to add a column called total here. Okay, now I'm going to add a column as total by right click on this E column and insert a column here. Okay, and then I will type as total. Also again type on F column and right click on F column and then click on the insert option here. Then you have to type average. Okay, because I just forgot those columns. Okay, now to find the total you have to type equal sign and then type as SUM. So by typing that you can open a bracket and then you have to select all the marks here. Okay, like this. Just click on the first mark, math, and then drag it to the right. Then you can see it types B2 to D2. Okay, B2 to D2 or B2 colon D2. Now just close the bracket and then enter. Here if you need to find the average, so you have to type equal sign and then average and then click on tab. Then select the math mark and then drag it to the ICT mark. You can see the B2 to D2 again and close the bracket. Just enter. Okay guys, if you just find one total, if you find just one average, then that's all. You can click on this fill handle here and then drag it to the down. Now you can see all the totals have been filled. This should be average. Spellings were mistaken. Okay, now I just need to do the same thing again like I did before for the total. Just click on this fill handle and then drag down. Okay, drag it to the down. Now you can see the average here. Okay, by double clicking on this one and you can see these are the values that we got the average from. And now if you need to find the pass or fail status, just type equal sign first and then type if. Okay, just open brackets and now you can see there's a hint called logical test. Logical test means I should just think you got a condition that if someone needs to be passed, so he or she needs to get more than 50. So logical test is if someone needs to get more than 50, so what is the value that you need to look up? Okay, this is the value, right? Okay, just click on that. I just thought that condition. Now I'm going to apply that like this. Okay, this value should be more. Okay, this value should be more than what? 50. Okay, this value should be more than 50. That's my condition. Okay, that's my condition. Now if the value is more than 50, okay, if the selected value is more than 50, now we have to type a comma. So after typing a comma, you can see that hint changed to the value if true. Okay, right? Now we have to type what if the condition is true. Okay, if 2 is greater than 50, what should be displayed? Okay, what should be displayed? Now I'm going to type if the F2 is greater than 50, the student should be passed. Okay, now I'm going to say pass, but don't type pass like this, because you have to use double quotes. Okay, you have to use double quotes here, because we are going to type something. Okay, we are going to type a new word, so that's why we need to use double quotes. Okay, now I'm going to type pass. Okay, so this is how you can type pass. Okay, and then again you have to type a comma. Then you can see, now what if the condition is false. Okay, now if the condition is false, it should be fail. Okay, this is how you can type if condition. Okay, now just close the brackets and then press enter. That's all. You can see the fail status here. For that fail status, because I just said that F2 should be more than 50, but here you can see the average is 50. So if I type here ICT marks, if I change the ICT marks to 60, so you can see now status changed to the pass, right? So if I change it to 50, so you can see status is here like fail. Now if you need to be others as same, okay, you can drag the fill handle to down, and now you can see the pass fail status like this. So I hope you got the if condition very carefully. I think you like this video. I think you learned something from this video. Please like this, comment this, share this, and please go to my YouTube channel and just click on subscribe button to learn more. Thank you very much. Bye.